YouTube, what's going on, man? Listen, I had to tap in one last time just to give some last minute guidance before Monday. Okay, man, listen, we got another jam-packed week coming up ahead of us. Make sure those of you that haven't joined us for the weekly options, please consider doing so. For everybody else that did already, major salute. You should already have them sitting in your inbox ready to go, man. We about to knock them out the park beginning tomorrow morning, but that's neither here nor there. What I got for you guys today is things you guys need to be loading up on, simply because you guys, whether you know it or not, have a buying opportunity of a lifetime before you, okay? And I'm not gonna let nobody rock with me miss this opportunity, because Wall Street is pumping a lot of fear and trying to get retail investors to leave and flee the market, okay? No, guys, no, no, no. Again, I can tell you from experience, the best thing you can do is, if you aren't invested, is to get invested. Buy these plays up while they're low. And if you are invested, stay invested. Endure the pain, okay? Make some moves that you feel you need to make. But overall, you're gonna look back on this and be like, man, think about all the people that said that had I stayed in the market 5, 10, 15 years ago, where my plays would be today. You are in one of those kind of unique moments, man, where, again, the decisions you make today can have catastrophic impacts on your family, on your investments in general, guys. So I'm going to be pounding you every day until I get back home, man, like what you guys need to be doing and how you need to be seeing the opportunity that's set before you, even though it's mirrored in fear, it's mirrored in a lot of pain and anguish, because plays are constantly going down week after week. But listen, guys, some plays that I need you to consider loading up on all weekend. I've been dropping jewels, man, so hopefully you guys been tapping into those. And for those that haven't, go back and watch those videos and listen to them all the way through, so that you don't miss a nugget that was put out there that you're not gonna hear nowhere else, okay? But again, to recap some of what was dropped on you guys, and just to summarize it all up pretty quickly for you, is this, man. Check it out. ETFs, 2 of them I got for you, okay? One being VGT. That's one that I need you to load up on starting this week. And then you want a dollar cost average into it. So that means if you buy it this week, it's gonna drop and you buy a little bit more. So the premise of this is this, guys. You're not going all in on no plays during a stock market crash and or the bear market that you guys are in. You don't go all in. You nibble. You put a little bit at a time. 500 here, 500 next week, 500 the week after, okay? Building your plays out with the end in mind of what it is you're trying to build it out to, whether that's a $5,000 position, whether that's a $10,000 position, whether that's a $1,000 position, okay? You run your own race, so that number, that end game is up to you, okay? Run your own race. You are the CEO of your portfolio. Don't ever let nobody, again, steer you off of that, knock you off your square. But VGT is an ETF. That's a growth ETF, okay, that I want you guys to consider. This is about getting a foundation right during a time where you can't pass up this opportunity, okay? The next ETF will be VTI, okay? V as in Victor, T as in Terrence, I as in intelligent, guys. VTI, okay? Again, you're going to catch this at levels you don't see this ETF at often. And so if you can get this here and understand what it's going to do in 2023 and 2024, guys, you'll be setting yourself up for massive gains when the turnaround occurs, okay? And then, guys, you have so many plays from an individual stock perspective that I need you to be considering, guys. 3 I want to put on your radar while they are at these levels, and that they even go lower. I want you guys to consider them, though. DraftKings being one. DKNG is a ticker symbol on that one. Okay, Palantir would be another one. PLTR is a ticker symbol on that one. And then ChargePoint, guys, ticker symbol CHPT. Okay, consider those. Put them on your watch list, or dollar cost average and or nibble into those at these levels, okay? They may trade sideways, they may go down even further. you guys right now have to have a longer term outlook. It's just a point blank period, guys. I told you, I'm going to be the only guy that's on YouTube that's going to keep it real, that's going to tell you the things you don't want to hear, that you may not want to hear, guys. You're going to see your plays go down lower, okay? I don't have no dreams to sell you that these plays are about to go to the moon tomorrow. That is not the case. However, it's a chance from a strategic standpoint for you to get your positions established while they're low. Now listen to this. As I often say, but sometimes it might get misconstrued. You don't have to pick all three of those, okay? I'm just giving you options. Somebody might like sports betting and online gaming, okay? Somebody might like the EV sector. Somebody might like what Palantir brings to the table, okay? So you can pick one of the three, not that you have to pick all three. Definitely try to circle back and get that VGT and that VTI, okay, because those are just good foundational plays. And then you guys know we always have an Apple as one of our core pillars. We always have a Microsoft or a Facebook. Speaking of Facebook, they have earnings this week, as well as Amazon. Please pay attention to those, as how they do can have a short-term impact on how the market reacts during that moment, okay? Whether the market the next day may be down, whether the next day it may be up, because those are so heavily weighted and has the ability to move them higher. So be paying attention to that, okay? You always got to know the catalysts and the things that are the reason for why your stocks are either moving up or down, okay? In addition to their stock's own fundamentals and own news cycle that's around it. But listen, guys, those are just a few plays that I want you guys to load up on. Remember, you always have options to combat against this with. You don't have to jump into stocks. You can just do options, okay? And you can either go with the trend, understand that the trend is your friend, and ride these plays down. Or if you know what you're doing, you can ride these plays up on the temporary periods of time that they will go up, prior to, again, setting another bull trap for you guys that keep getting caught by the same game over and over again, only to see these plays plummet, okay? My advice would be catch these plays when they go up tomorrow. Look for the high of the day, and then throw a put on, understanding that they'll either come down midday or by the end of the day or into the next day, okay? Then they'll have a period where they go back up again, okay? You can either already take profit by then, ride them up, or let them go up, throw on a put for Tuesday at the high of the day, okay? Around 10, 11:30 for some of you guys, and then you ride that down, okay? And then you continue to just let the trend be your friend. Don't try to go against the grain. The market is going to try to run you guys dry and rugged in terms of trying to suck all the life out of you, hoping you quit the stock market. That's all they're trying to do, guys. They're sitting at their table saying, we about to make you quit. Man, don't ever let nobody make you quit, guys. Don't never let nobody make you quit, especially when the jury is out on what they're trying to do. I'm trying to come on here even while on vacation, guys, and give you strategy to navigate and circumvent what they're trying to do to you guys. And so it's important that you, again, stay 10 toes down, stay vigilant, keep your head on a swivel, and understand what's before you, okay? You have an opportunity of a lifetime. While they keep pushing prices lower, you have to realize that this is sale, and this is a fire sale that you don't want to pass up. If you were at the mall and you saw everything 50, 60, 70% off, you would be happy. Investing is the only avenue where people don't get happy about a sale. Get happy when you see this, and learn to change your mindset and your psychology around money during the crashes, the corrections, and bear markets, because again, it's where the true wealth is built, okay? Those bull markets is cool because it's just everybody is feeling good, and euphoria feels good, but not a lot of money is made if you're buying high and plays are only going up a little bit. But a lot of money can be made when you buy something that's down 70%, and it comes back not only to recover 70%, but then proceeds to go on to be up another 30% after that. Now that's really making some money right there, guys. And that's the type of thing that I want you guys to be a part of on this 100K challenge. Again, we've been dealt a very, very bad 2 years, 2021 and 2022, in terms of trying to build out the 100K challenge. But I'm not going to leave you guys, man. I'm going to stick it through. Okay, we'll get what we can get out of these horrible markets. However, we'll be learning a lot of lessons that when the grass is greener, when we get a better performing market, when we get things like inflation and interest rates behind us, we will be much better and sharper investors because of what we have endured, because of the experiences we have gained by going through the 2021 and 2022 years so far, okay? So again, I'm encouraged as I can be because I love you guys and I believe in you guys. And I think all of this, like I say, experience is your best teacher. All of this will make you better. Again, if it don't break you, it only makes you stronger, man. And I'm certain that you guys gonna come out of this not only stronger, but wiser, smarter, and much, much better investors. That's why we creating sharks around here, man, and understand that everybody eats. So listen, guys, I won't hold you up. Just had to give you some plays to load up on, man, as we get ready to kick off another week and as we kind of end out January and head into February. Hopefully this be a much better month because January was horrific. But listen, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.